Vocal video makes it easy to create beautiful collections of your videos to share on a public page or embed directly onto your website or blog. Let's take a look at how this works. When you log into your Vocal Video account, you'll see that there's now an area for galleries. When we click to view all, this will take us to the galleries page, and you can see the variety of gallery types you can create: carousels and slideshows, lists, grids, and walls. When we built galleries, we were inspired by customers who were already taking the individual videos and embedding them on their websites. Folks were doing things like adding quotes from the transcripts to give you an immediate sense of what the videos were about. They were creating grids of videos to overwhelm you with the amount of social proof. And we wanted to make it easy to design that right within Vocal Video so that you could take a single block of code and create these on your own websites. Let's take a look at some of the galleries I've created as examples. This is an example of a wall of love that I've created with Vocal Video. You can see you can add the pull quotes. You can add photos of the folks that you're featuring. You can also preview how these will look on your website, change your background to match the website or landing page that you'll be embedding these galleries on. Carousels are also very popular when you have a smaller amount of space. This is the list type where you can have the quotes next to the videos. Here's a grid, again, inspired by what we'd already seen customers doing, just featuring the videos and no quotes. And this is a simple slideshow that you can create with Vocal Video. Now let's get into how you can start to customize these to fit your brand's look and feel. So when you get to the gallery section, you'll just click New Gallery, and this will bring a selection of all the different gallery types that you can choose from. Let's choose a carousel to look at. So here I have the preview of the carousel that I've already built. Here you can add any of the videos that you've collected with Vocal Video or any uploads that you've added, and you can get into some of the design settings. The most important building block of almost all of the gallery types are the video cards. So you'll see this edit featured quote, and this will bring you into the card builder experience. This is the actual live transcript from that video. You can change up the attribution. You can also add a photo of your speaker if you'd like. Just click Save Changes after you're done setting that up, and that will appear in your preview as well. Let's get back into some of the other design settings. For the carousel settings, you can also play around with the different effects and whether or not you want it to loop, the format of the thumbnails. You can customize the colors of each of the galleries you're creating. The defaults will pull from what you have set up in your account branding and settings. You can turn on and off the card background gradient and choose whether you want your arrows to be dark or light. Fonts can also be set here. Your logo, which pulls from your account settings, can be updated. And then we can get into the corners and shadows, some of the layout options, how many columns you want, where you want the title to appear, and choose from any of these backgrounds for your video page. It's important to note that the embeds you create with Vocal Video for your website will be transparent, so they'll fit seamlessly into the already existing design of your website or blog. And we can go ahead and take a look at those here in the embed options. We can preview the embed. So say you have a white background on your website, this is how your carousel will look on your website. You could also share that public page just by copying the public link. And if we open that over here, we'll see the page that can be shared easily with customers or prospects or colleagues, as well as shared on social media. I also want to quickly get into how you can actually create and embed individual cards. So if you click on Publish Videos, that will take you to your whole set of videos, and any of these can be created as a single card. The way you do that is just to click this embed, click on Video Card, and this will bring up all the same options that we saw for the carousel and even some more. So we can see that we can update how this looks. We can modify the content and upload a photo, and we can change the design of the card as well. Once you have this looking the way you want, you can copy that embed code and drop it directly on a website or blog as well. We're really excited to see the galleries that you build and share and the cards that you can embed on your websites. Please reach out, support at localvideo.com if you have any questions at all.